When working with your mares, we're going to present to you two options for entering palpations into the Mare records. The first one is not my preferred one. Actually, the second one that I'm going to present to you is the best one, in my opinion. But since I've seen it's a matter of preference, I'm going to show you in this learning how to do the first one, which is through the patient file. The first option is going to the patient file. You can create one particular list where you carry all your active mares, for example, by using queries. And from that point on, you can just select one of your mares, go to the Mare record, and over here you can add a new record. So you can say, you know, she was MSF, plus plus, and I'm going to save this. Next wise option is asking if I want to charge for that palpation. I'm going to say yes. And if I want to see her again, when I would like to see her again, I'm going to say yes. I want to see her again in 3 days. I see that it's going on a Saturday, so I'm going to put for Monday. Reschedule. I'm going to say regular palpation. This notation here is going to show in my data worksheets or in the future reminder. But this is how you perform palpation from the Mare file or the patient file. You could then go again to your active mares, grab the next one, and again, once you have the mare selected, you go to the Mare record and you start the process all over again. Similarly, achieving the same result in this case would be for you to go to possibly to the Mare records, because here in the Mare records you're going to have all your mares, same principle. You're going to have from here the chance also to perform your palpations. Just highlight one, go to the Mare record, just like in the previous example, and click on the new record. One more option going one Mare record at a time is from the Mare review. So if you go to the Mare review, you can then access the list of mares, highlight the mare. From the summary card, you can easily access the Mare record, see the last notations, go to the Mare record, and similarly add a new record. So all of these examples are doing the same thing, which is option number one, making the palpation entry directly into the Mare record. In my next e-learning, I'm going to show you how to perform the palpation, but in a more organized manner, kind of in a productive economy of scale where you can go through the loops. However, we didn't want to pass the chance presenting to you the options where you can, if you have just a few mares to enter Mare records, this is most definitely one of the options in Wise Option. So today you've learned how to enter palpations directly through the Mare record in Wise Option. Thanks for watching.